In this lesson, we're going to learn how to rotate a point 270 degrees clockwise around the origin. So if we have a problem like this one that says rotate n, here's n, 270 degrees clockwise around the origin. So let's first label this point. We can see that it's 2, 6. X is 2, y is 6. And we could see rotating clockwise around the origin would look like this, 270 degrees. That's 3/4 of the way all the way around. So another way of looking at this is we have the same point here. It would be a rotation here. We end up in the same spot, right? So a 270-degree rotation clockwise around the origin is the same as 90 degrees counterclockwise around the origin. So this is 90 degrees counterclockwise around the origin. So now let's create a box with n and the origin. So how does that look? That looks like this, okay? We created a little green box there. Make sure to include the origin. Now, when we rotate the box counterclockwise 90 degrees, keeping the origin fixed, this is what happens. If we kick the box this way, right, we're just going to kick it, the origin stays fixed. It's just going to fall this way. And we could see this is n, and of course this is where n is going to end up, okay? There's n prime, the new spot. So the new coordinates for n prime are -6, 2, -6, 2. And if you'll notice, x and y switch and the x becomes negative. Okay, so you'll notice the x and y switched. It used to be 2, 6, now it's -6, 2, and the x became negative. And that's the end of that lesson. And don't worry if you didn't get that right away. You could rewatch it as well. I have links in the description to other videos of mine that are similar to this. You'll find another one that goes counterclockwise 270 degrees. And that's an important one to look at too, because you'll understand what the different rules are for each one. As well, make sure to download the ebook. In the ebook, you'll find this exact lesson in it, and you could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. And there's a link in the ebook will take you right to this video. Thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to like and subscribe.